What's going on, guys? I'm gonna show you how to install a snowboard rack on a 2019 to probably 2022 now, because the designs are about the same. RDX, so Acura RDX snowboard rack. It's pretty easy to do. So all you got to do first is loosen this up so that you can take this strap off right here. So, let me see here. I think I got this one loosened. So, take this off and do it for this, this side too. So you just loosen this nut right here. It's turned left, and it'll keep going like this, going forever. But it's actually loosening the bolt that's inside. If I show you, like right here, it'll loosen that up. So it gives this slack so that way you can, just pop this thing off. So I just got to loosen it more. But let me show you how to put it on. All right, so this is how it looks when it's on. So all you do is take this piece right here. And let me see if I can get this with one hand. But, all right, don't. You just put it like so. Oh, this. Maybe you want to protect your glass, not like what I'm doing here, but pop this on. Let's see if I can get it like that. Okay. So you want to, of course, make it straight up so it doesn't fall over. But you basically want to just turn this right here till it gets tight. You'll start feeling the tension once you keep tightening it and whatnot. You'll start hearing like click as it gets tighter and tighter. So that's basically means it's starting to secure in place. So as you can see here, the slack is but yeah, you just make sure you line it up. I wouldn't tighten all the way on this side yet. Just go into the other side and start tightening that side and kind of align it correctly, that it's straight up, because you don't want to have like a lopsided or falling down rack. But yeah, let me go tighten the other side and I'll show you. Okay, so what you want to do here is I'm measuring before you start tightening everything. I should have did this first, but you want to measure the equal distance between this side and the other side of your rack. I measured it. It's about 15 3/8 on each side. So that's where you want to set it at. And then basically when you take it off, put it on, 15 3/8 is where it's right in the middle. Because you don't want to have ones that you don't want to have the back as 14 and this thing is at 16 on this side. It'll just look weird. But yeah, 15 3/8 is what I have. You can adjust it how you want it, but I think that's right in the middle. Maybe off by like an 1/8 of an inch or so, or 1/16 of an inch. But yeah. All right, so this is how it looks. It's fully tightened on. Now all you got to do is just lock this so that no one can steal your rack. I don't know why they only have one lock on this when over there's pretty much a blank. So I guess they're just cheap like that. I don't know. But so all you do is just put the key in like here and lock that in place. And then as you see here, you can't turn this. So this is locked in place, so this is good. And you want to always make sure, like when you secure your boards or skis, whatever you're gonna put on here, this is the lock position on this. See, I can't do anything, but once you let me see here. There it goes. And there you go. You just put your board, your skis, whatever you're gonna put for this rack, and you're good to go. And just snap it in place. Lock it back up so it's secure, and you're good. But yeah, that's all it takes. Is takes about 10 minutes total, one-man job. So hope you like this video. Peace.